Alright, welcome back, guys. My name is Zishan. Welcome back to Talk Football, home of reviews, tactics, and transfer talks. And Champions League is back, and so is Mohit for the first time on this channel. Hello, Mohit. How are you?
हाय जिशान भाई मजा आ गया इधर आके यार ह्यूज फैन तो ऑब्वियसली
Okay, thank you so much. It always feels so good to listen about this. But यार हम fans होते हैं अपने clubs के, and I always request my viewers, my audience, always to talk to me like भाई, ठीक है? So no more fan, it's just भाई. Alright, so thank you so much. Anyways, and जैसे कि आप सबको पता चल गया होगा कि मोहित is a Chelsea FC fan, and Mohit bhai also runs his podcast. So if you want, you can definitely contact him regarding his podcast. And in this podcast, we will talk about Real Madrid versus Chelsea, the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League 2021 first leg. So Mohit, what do you think?
Yeah, man, next level excited because last time we were in a Champions League semi-final, I was 13 and now I'm 20. मैं 8th standard में था, मैं अभी second year engineering में हूँ. तो मतलब है ना difference है ना मतलब कितना time हो गया इधर आके and it just feels so refreshing to see Chelsea competing amongst Europe's elite because we haven't been. Let's be honest. The truth is we've been doing is round of 16 तक आना and out होना and 2 years we didn't even qualify. So वो डाउट था कि अपना स्टैंडर्ड कम हो रहा है क्या and all of a sudden it's such a relief to get through that round of 16 and then all of a sudden semi-final. एक बार semi-final आता है, we all believe as a Chelsea fan, we've seen it. Anything can happen.
That is very true. And relief is the word here, Mohit. Relief is the word over here because as the season was progressing, I had literally no belief from Frank Lampard when he was managing Chelsea, and I was thinking, can this team even come into the top 4? And then Thomas Tuchel came in and wow, look, well, they have had just 2 losses in 21 games. They have got 16 clean sheets. And जो वो 2 loss आई है उनमें से एक loss तो पोर्टो के against थी वो second leg में, which they eventually won the leg in the quarterfinals. So what do you have to think about Tuchel's performance of this Chelsea side?
Unbelievable. मतलब इतना expectations को cross करना, that I mean we always expect new manager bounce and all, but this is something else. This is I mean it was बहुत दुख हुआ था जब Frank sack हुआ, obviously club legend. सबको दुख हुआ है Chelsea fan. It was a very sad day. And we thought ठीक है ये बंदा आएगा थोड़ा steady करेगा थोड़ा better होगा hopefully. Nobody expected Atletico को हराएगा. Nobody expected that. So what he has done is unbelievable. उसने जो the tactical shape जो लाया, how compact we are without the ball, compact. The principles of play, Jose Mourinho's words, principles of play. He follows every single one of them.
Exactly, that's very true. And he has turned this Chelsea side into a very good defensive unit. And यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ reports पढ़ा था, कुछ articles पढ़ा था, उसमें they were talking about the battle between 2 defensive teams. And it's surprising to read about Real Madrid being a defensive team because Chelsea is a defensive team. Obviously, you have to say that Tuchel has improved the defensive side of this team more than the attacking side because defending was one of the major concerns of Frank Lampard. You guys were conceding goals left and right, but अच्छा हुआ, Tuchel has done very good. But about Real Madrid, I know that you are a Real Madrid fan, but I know that you are a Chelsea fan. What do you think about Real Madrid? Like, how afraid are you even afraid to face Real Madrid at this point of time? क्या लगता है कि वो कुछ problem threat create कर सकते हैं? Because Real Madrid in the Champions League are a totally different side. You cannot write them off, even though they have been having a very very poor run of form in the La Liga. But Champions League में Real Madrid को कम नहीं समझना चाहिए, and इसका proof थी अटलांटा, इसका प्रूफ थी लिवरपूल. सो क्या मूड है कैंप का अभी?
I mean Chelsea haven't played Real Madrid. हम लोगों ने कभी Real Madrid को फेस ऐसा चैंपियंस लीग में किया नहीं. लास्ट टाइम we faced was Cup Winners' Cup 1997. We won that, by the way. उससे पहले 1971 का कोई तो यूरोपियन, I forgot the name.
European Cup. Okay.
Peter was good scored. So we don't play these 2 teams. We haven't matched up. हम लोग ऐसा हुआ नहीं. मतलब बहुत very looking forward type ये है. The name Real Madrid, the name should scare you. The name should scare you. Respect.
But Mohit, let me stop you right there. I'm sorry to cut you off. Does the name scares you as of this moment? does it still scare you because of the season Real Madrid has been having after the draw against Real Betis, after the draw against Getafe? They have had 3 draws in the past 5 games, so past 4 games. I'm sorry. So does it still scare the fan base?
Yeah, still smashed Barca 3-1.
Come on, man. Why have you to hit that nerve? Come on, man.
यार देखो चैंपियंस लीग में वो लोग डिफरेंट एनिमल है, सबको पता है. दे नो हाउ इट इज टू प्ले दीस सेमीफाइनल्स. हम लोग this Chelsea squad doesn't know. Like we don't have Champions League
experience. If you talk about experience, Real Madrid side has got much more experienced player in their team throughout their rank, and you can look at the likes of Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Casemiro, Sergio Ramos obviously won't be there, won't be playing. So Benzema and all, they have got great experience. While this Chelsea team is such a fresh, such a newly bred team, and obviously they all would be excited to lay their mark on this Champions League title, which they have been doing very good, defeating Atletico Madrid, defeating Porto, which actually was like in the second leg they just scraped through it, they just survived a scare, but throughout the campaign they have been good. And although experience can be a big factor, but you can think about the injuries issues of Real Madrid, the way they have been suffering throughout the season. वो उस तरीके से फाइनल थर्ड में नहीं खेल पा रहे हैं, बॉल्स नहीं बना पा रहे हैं, गोल स्कोरिंग में ट्रबलिंग हो रही है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट गोल स्कोरिंग, हाउ वुड यू वेलकम Hazard at Stamford Bridge, because he will come back in the second leg? What about him playing against Chelsea? Bring back a lot of memories, does it?
Yeah, Hazard was obviously one of my favorite. मैंने उसको every season देखा है literally, and if fans were there, there would be बहुत applause मिलता Hazard को, और opposite end में वो goalkeeper को बहुत boost भी मिलता.
कोर्तोआ.
Fans होने चाहिए था for this. I mean, Hazard returning back home is special. Yeah. But let's be honest, at this moment of time, we don't care. We're in the semi-final after 7 years. All we want to do is give our 100% and show because this is the Champions League semi-final. This is the time the world is watching. Okay, सब लोग हमारा weekend games देखते नहीं, सब किसी ने देखा नहीं है Chelsea 1 West Ham ने. Let's be honest, this is the time हम देखते हैं as fan. वर्ल्ड वॉच नहीं करते.
अब अगर मोहित अगर यही मैच अगर ESL में होता, अगर चेल्सी फेस कर रही होती बोरुसिया डॉर्टमुंड को, तो मुझे लगता है कि काफी फैन बेस देख रहा होता. ओके, अर्लिंग हालैंड अप अगेंस्ट टीमो वर्नर, काई हेवर्ट्ज, मेसन माउंट, व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स गिव इट अ वॉच. सो कमिंग बैक टू दिस पॉइंट, ESL, Florentino Papa Perez pulling this fiasco of ESL, and he's still saying that it's not over. The teams have backed out, but they have to pay a fine if they will be technically backing out of this. So do you think all of this scenario would be affecting Real Madrid on a longer run? Would this be affecting their performance? Would there be a pressure on Zinedine Zidane and the team to perform?
One thing I'd say, a lot of fans will support Chelsea for this because of what Perez has been saying. Like अभी मैं तो traditionalist हूँ. I loved last week's protest. I loved Chelsea fans. पूरे सब लोग देख रहे हैं, सब लोग Chelsea fans को praise कर रहे हैं outside stand, because everything about that was beautiful. Every single thing about that protest was beautiful. वो Petr Cech का image, iconic image है.
Yeah, exactly.
History making day था वो outside Stamford Bridge. So अभी language allowed I guess नहीं होगा ये channel में, but language used by Chelsea fans to Fiorentina Perez in that protest was, let's just say, not the best. So
okay, shots fired. Anyways, that nice. So like you said, ki most of the fans would be supporting Chelsea, and don't misjudge over here. There are a lot of Real Madrid fans who only wake up to watch these semi-finals and finals. So great time for those people. Yeah, because I know few people.
Understandable, unka league वैसे ही है, so like.
Yeah. Anyways, Mohit, coming back to this topic, the injuries. Let's talk about the injuries. So I think so. Mateo Kovacic is out because of a hamstring injury, isn't it?
Yes. He's
How big a miss will he be?
Huge miss. He's so important. वो press resistant है. Press करके देखो वो कुछ तो निकाल के वे निकाल देता है. It's so important to have someone like that.
A very good dribbler as well, and he like you said,
get through, मतलब he get through the lines, line break करता है.
He carries the ball forward.
Yes, all of a sudden new options, and when you have players who can beat a man, create space, and वो लोग नहीं है तो it's a huge miss.
exactly.
जॉर्जिनो एंड कांटे ही होगा अभी, और क्या होगा?
Jorginho and Conte होंगे
They do
definitely
it.
midfield में, but both of them are a very different profile to what Mateo Kovacic is,
Yeah.
because Kovacic is that kind of a runner with the ball. He's press resistant, as you said. He finds those gaps and places himself in those gaps कि अब मैं ball receive करूँगा, मुझे play करो, and he's always available for the ball. I'm not saying कि Jorginho is not that good a player, but he's much more static. वो खड़ा रहेगा, ball distribute करेगा. But Kovacic is that runner from the midfield. He helps. Mason Mount जब खेलता है तो Mason Mount like to do that free roam kind of a thing. So he has got a very good support at the back of him when Kovacic and Conte are Jorginho are playing. तो fine, Kovacic would be a big miss. And उधर साइड अगर देखा जाए Real Madrid के अगेंस्ट, तो there are big injuries issues to Ramos, Vasquez, Mondi, and obviously Cruz is back, Hazard is back, but this guy Fede Valverde is recovering from COVID, so he would be also a very huge miss. We all know कि Fede Valverde is such an engine to this Real Madrid side, and I don't know what to say. It's such a big game. You cannot even give a prediction. Come on. So let's come back to the prediction of the lineup part. What do you think about the lineup? How would Chelsea would be line up against Madrid?
या हम लोग टूकल वेरिएंट्स यूज करता है, 3-4-1-2 और 3-4-2-1. तो इसलिए वो 3-4 और 3-4-3, बट इसमें he has to use the 3-4-2-1, and he has to make sure the two come deep and help midfield out, because we are up against the best midfield in the world. All तीनों हैं, Casemiro, Modric, Kroos, so they are the best, and we will need against Kante and Jorginho. They'll, let's be honest, all due respect, they'll eat them alive. So we need Mount or Havertz or Pulisic or जो भी खेल रहा है वो टू में to come back and
drop
body
and rescue.
presence
Definitely.
Literally ये तीन Madrid के midfielder भड़वे लोग हैं, like अटैक करते हैं.
Obviously, they are relentless pressing and pushing. तो obviously अगर midfield में यहाँ पे numerical superiority यहाँ अगर चेल्सी वाले maintain नहीं करेंगे तो game would be dead, because we all know कि Madrid कितनी अच्छी है progression. मैं progression पता नहीं क्यों बोल देता हूँ हमेशा. प्रोग्रेशन करने में बहुत अच्छी है रियल मैड्रिड साइड, एंड दिल चेल्सी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. अगर कॉन्टे एंड जॉर्जिनो खेलते हैं, बिकॉज as you can see on the screen I put Reece James, Ben Chilwell with on the flanks as a wing backs, so any one of Havertz or Mason Mount have to drop in, and Mason Mount occasionally does that thing, and up top Timo Werner recently scoring a goal, so he might be given a nod ahead of the other strikers.
Yeah, he might be. I won't be surprised अगर Timo starts, and big games में whatever you say about this guy, miss up करता है, but बंदा turn up करता है big games, and कुछ तो try करता है, and ऐसे like Atletico Madrid, he put that ball in for Ziyech, perfect ball in, तो मतलब he turns up. ठीक है, Manchester City Wembley semi-final, again Timo Werner's run, so
what a performance.
He turns up, and I won't be surprised if he starts, Timo Werner.
Actually, personally, this has been going a very good week for the Chelsea fans, defeating City in the semi-final, then winning against the West Ham. They have definitely increased their lead at the top fourth of the table. And कहाँ से start हुआ था? Frank Lampard left the Chelsea side at 9th position. Now you guys are in 4th position, and there's no stopping. एंड आई थिंक सो यहाँ पे मड्रिड फैंस थोड़े से नर्वी हो रहे होंगे, बिकॉज जो फॉर्म चेल्सी का चल रहा है दैट्स वेरी गुड. ऑल्दो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है अटैकिंग ट्रायो में. टुकिल स्टिल एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, ही हैजंट फाउंड हिज परफेक्ट ट्रायो. ही डजंट अंडरस्टैंड अगर उसे जीएच को खिलाना है, पुलिसिच और माउंट, हैवेज और टीमो. दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन यू हैव सो मच ऑप्शन, एंड ही कीप्स जिरू एंड टैमी ऑन द बेंच. तो ही विल हैव टू फिगर आउट हिज फाइनल थर्ड अटैकर्स. So, what do you think is the best attacking option for Chelsea?
Yeah, tough. This is a tough one, right? For every Chelsea fan, this is a tough one. There are and nothing has worked. Thing is, nothing has worked apart from Palace ke against false nine Havertz, that worked. Yeah. But even after that, it's not as a promising, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. But as long as, like they say, as long as it's
in this game, in context to the game against Real Madrid, what would be the right personnel?
It probably will be. Yeah, it probably would be Mason Mount. Every game he starts, best Chelsea player. Along with Pulisic, उसका form अच्छा है. And on his day, like he can again जो beat the man ability. He has that as well. So Pulisic, Mount. And I'll say this up top, Timo Werner.
finally, that's very good. That's what I wanted to hear. And nice. That is what I was thinking as well, because if Madrid would be pressing Chelsea high up the pitch, which they would be doing, and I think so the runners, the fast runners would be very important over. इसलिए रीस जेम्स है तो उसको विंग से ओवरलैप करना है. बेन चिलवेल हमें पता है कि वो कितना रन दे देता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. ही गोज वे अप टॉप. एंड वो जो बैक थ्री होगी यहाँ पे एस्पिलिकेटा, सिल्वा एंड रूडिगर की, दैट वुड बी वेरी क्रूशियल, बिकॉज दोज आर द पिलर्स. Those are the pillars of this Chelsea structure. So they'll have to have a resolute game. And Mendy, obviously, he's having a terrific season. So, chalo, theek hai, that's good. What about this Real Madrid side? What do you think? How big a threat will this Real Madrid side be?
Very big threat. Firstly, I don't think they've lost a game, Stefano, man, right?
Yeah.
They haven't, right? That's one.
Madrid, I don't actually have the facts over if they have lost a game or not, but they are undefeated in their 17 games. Undefeated in the 17 games.
And you know, Zidane, बहुत ये लोग बोलते हैं Zidane, भाई Zidane is world class. Like कितना change, like with all those injuries जो अभी हो रहा है Madrid, so he still managed to chop and change and you know tweak. फेडे वैल्वेर्डे को किधर खिलाया था लिवरपूल, राइट बैक खिलाया,
राइट विंग, राइट बैक.
वो बंदा भाग के या वो भाग के इतना, लाइक एवरीवन इज गिविंग देयर बेस्ट फॉर दिस मैनेजर. ऑब्वियसली डिसेंट होगा वो बंदा, ठीक है. सो यू नो व्हाट पहले द ओल्ड रियल मैड्रिड साइड्स 3 in a row वन, ओके, दे वर लाइक यू नो इवन दीस, वो लोग इतना दे वर क्वालिटी नेक्स्ट लेवल. मतलब वो रोनाल्डो अभी का रियल मैड्रिड, अभी रियल मैड्रिड का साइड इफ यू सी इट्स नॉट दैट मच लाइक विनिशियस इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेयर, बट वी नो उसका फर्स्ट टच का रेसलिंग. बट दिस रियल मैड्रिड साइड, लाइक दे वन थिंग दे आर डूइंग इज हर गेम 100 टक्का देते हैं वो सब.
एग्जैक्टली, वही तो बात है. वो एटीट्यूड है ना उनका चैंपियंस लीग, बिकॉज़ कहीं ना कहीं
अटलांटा का अगेंस्ट अटलांटा पूरा,
एंड दैट गेम जो वो मुंचन ग्लैडबैक के अगेंस्ट वो गेम खेले व्हेन दे हैड टू क्वालिफाई, बिकॉज वो मेम्स ऑलरेडी चल रहे थे कि यूरोपा लीग में मैड्रिड जा रही है एंड देयर वाज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी दे वुड बी किक्ड आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट ऑल टुगेदर. सो वहाँ पे उन्होंने एटीट्यूड दिखा, वहाँ पे कैरेक्टर दिखाया सीरियसली. तो एवरीबडी रिस्पेक्ट्स रियल मैड्रिड द वे, वो जो कोर स्पिरिट देते हैं, वो कोर एक क्या कहते हैं यार उसको, दे बैक देमसेल्व्स अप, दे परफॉर्म व्हेन द टाइम इज डायर. एंड इधर भी इट्स अ वेरी डायर सिनेरियो बिकॉज दे कुड पोटेंशियली गो इनटू द फाइनल and hopefully win it. So they are competing in La Liga, they are competing in the Champions League. Ab might this distract them from one or the other tournament? अब हो सकता है because injuries हैं, inconsistencies भी साथ साथ आएंगी, but I think so सिर्फ 2 गेम और अच्छा अगर खेलें तो ये फाइनल में पहुंच जाएंगे. तो मतलब 3 games and you will be the Champions League winners. And they see it, they see it at पहुंच सकते हैं वहाँ पे, वो they can reach it, they can reach that title. तो बिग डील फॉर देम. एंड यहाँ पे फाइनल प्रिडिक्शन में अगर बोलना चाहूँ तो लेट मी हियर योर प्रिडिक्शन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. क्या लगता है?
या ओके, सो ओवरऑल बोथ लेग्स का कैसे?
नहीं, पहला लेग क्या लगता है? पहला लेग सिर्फ गेम टू गेम चलेंगे.
ओके, गेम आई थिंक इट विल बी अ 2-1 टू रियल मैड्रिड एट देयर ग्राउंड. या
स्टेफानो पे 2-1 जाएगी रियल मैड्रिड. एक अवे गोल लेके आओगे एंड स्टैमफोर्ड ब्रिज पे तुम लोग हराओगे उनको, ऐसा कुछ प्लान है? हाँ,
1-0 टिपिकल टॉमस टुकल, एक गोल, स्मैश एंड ग्रैब, डिफेंड 90th मिनट तक. और यू नेवर नो, इट कुड बी 2-0. पूरा एक स्टार्टिंग में मारा, उसका पूरा गेम डिफेंड किया, लास्ट में समवन जस्ट पुट्स द बॉल ऑन टॉप, टीमो वर्नर भाग रहा है,
गोल पड़ गया.
टीमो पोर्तो एंड
It reminds me of that game जिसमें फर्नांडो टोरेस दौड़ा था बार्सिलोना के अगेंस्ट एंड oh भाई साहब, मेमोरीज, fucking hell. Okay, anyways, ठीक है. So that's a very good prediction. I think so. मेरे हिसाब से भी it would be, यार I'm very bad at this part. Still I think so it could be a 2-1 win for Real Madrid. I think so it would be a 2-1 win. Yeah, I'm sure it would be a very good win for Real Madrid. But overall मैं अभी नहीं कहना चाहूँगा. I shouldn't say because अभी भी प्रीव्यू बनाना बाकी गेम्स के लिए. मैं अभी बता दूंगा तो बंदे देखेंगे नहीं.
Real Madrid favorites है,
obviously,
ये सत्य है
भाई. Madrid favorite है. Chelsea versus Real Madrid any time of the day. Madrid are favorite. Doesn't matter whatever the form is. Doesn't matter whatever the time is. तो Madrid are gonna win it. अब both the legs के over क्या जीत सकते हैं वो, we'll all have to see. That's football यार. तो वही तो है. So thank you. It was a pleasure to have you over here, Mohit. That's you have
it
literally
was a
provided.
pleasure being on. Yeah, बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ बात करके.
Yeah, hopefully we can.
जो किसी के साथ में बात करना is like best. तो
उससे अच्छा सुकून क्या है यार, बस कोई मिल जाए फुटबॉल बातें करो तो दैट्स वेरी गुड टू हैव यू ओवर हियर एंड होपफुली विल डू दैट सून विल हैव टू टॉक अबाउट प्रीमियर लीग और चेल्सी. सो गाइज दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. आप आई होप कि आपको अच्छा लगा, आई होप आपको समझ आया. एंड मोहित को प्लीज़ चेकआउट कर लेना, इनके पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑल हैं, इनको डीएम कर देना. एंड लास्टली दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज. लीव योर प्रेडिक्शन, योर कॉमेंट्स इन down below and smash that subscribe and like button. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, as always, peace out.